Hey gang, so happy almost weekend. I've been getting a lot of private messages regarding the containers and how many and what fits in where and do I stuff it, don't I? So I just thought we'd take a couple of quick minutes and just go through it all. Um, when you get your challenge pack, everything that you need is going to be right there. The book itself, if you take the time to go through this is your like go-to book for the next 21 days. But right on page 4, it tells you how to calculate your calories. So if you're not 100% sure, this is where you want to go. And then on page 19, it's going to tell you how many of each of the categories or the containers that you can have based on the amount of calories that you've been given. So for me, I'm the 1200 to 1499 calorie range. So what does that mean? It means that I'm going to be able to have 4 proteins a day. All right, so that's my fish, my chicken, my eggs, yogurts are all going to be in here. I get 2 fruits, and I mean, it's really a really good size. You don't think so until you go to fill it up with berries. But that being said, you fill it up, and when it's full, you don't necessarily smash it down. That's the amount that you get. Veggies, I get 3. Some of you may get 4, and I'm very jealous of that, by the way, because this is my favorite. I get 2 carbohydrates. I get 1 dressing, the orange, or it also can be seeds, and then 1 of my healthy fats, which for me is pretty much a little bit of sprinkling of cheese and or avocados, because I do love avocados on my salad. And then you have your extra teaspoons for oils for cooking when you're making your recipes. Now, so that's the food plan. The book itself has some great recipes. We will be every day adding more recipes into the page, so don't be afraid to scroll up or down and check out if you want to try experimenting a little bit. Some of us are really basic eaters and others get really bored, so everybody's going to be different, and that's the beauty of this group, that we can all sort of feed off one another. If somebody comes up with a great recipe that they find, please post it so that others can benefit from it as well. And then as far as the exercise portion goes, you get that little start here sheet, and right in the center, it has all the workouts listed Monday through Sunday. And what I do is I literally just write down every single workout that I'm going to be doing for the next 21 days in my calendar. So I don't have to go every day and look up and go, oh, geez, what am I supposed to be doing today? Every morning when I get up, I just see it, boom, it's there, go get it done. And then I don't have to worry about it. Now, I know some of you aren't following the workouts 100% because you're also doing other workouts outside of this. But I am going to recommend strongly that if you really want to see great results, the workouts are only 30 minutes. So if you find the extra time and or just go ahead and make the extra time, get them in, because Autumn did a great job of setting them up scientifically so that your body's really going to see some great results in 21 days. And in the 3rd week, she actually adds a few extras, which we'll get to as we get further along. Now, the weekend's almost here, so I don't know about you, but I'm not going to be perfect. And it's called moderation. And that's the beauty of this program. And that's the beauty of these yellow guys. This, to me, equals wine. So come Friday, I know that during the day, I need to save this if I'm going to want to have a glass of wine. During the day, I need to save this if I'm going to have a little cheat at the end of the night. Same thing with you. Just plan accordingly. That's the beauty of these guys, because it shows you the size. But the beauty of the program is, as long as you're planning your meals out ahead of time, and which is why we stress so much to plan your meals out, there are no surprises. And come the end of the day, you're not hungry because you've eaten all your containers. And or if you are hungry at the end of the night, take a look back. Did you fill all your containers? And one other thing, drink water like it's your job. The more water you can drink, the better your body is. Everything gets flushed through, helps with metabolism, makes our skin feel better. And at this time of year, everything is so dry. So drink, drink, drink. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. And I will touch base with you all again real soon.